Japan makes online insults punishable by 1 year in prison in wake of reality TV star's death. Whoa. How about that headline?
Whoa, 1 year.
But also, I'm assuming this reality star took their own life. Is that what's going on? Japan's parliament on Monday passed legislation making online insults punishable by imprisonment amid rising public concern over cyberbullying, sparked by the suicide of a reality television star who had faced social media abuse. Under the amendment, the country's penal code set to take effect later this summer, offenders convicted of online insults can be jailed for up to 1 year or fined 300,000 yen, which is $2,200, a significant increase from the existing punishments of detention for fewer than 30 days and a fine of $75. So it doesn't mean everybody who is convicted of this is going to get the same punishment. They're saying this is the maximum, depending on the circumstance and the situation. The bill proved to be controversial in the country, with opponents arguing it could impede free speech and criticism of those in power. However, supporters said the tougher legislation was needed to crack down on cyberbullying and online harassment. It was only passed after a provision was added ordering the law be re-examined 3 years after it goes into effect to gauge its impact on freedom of expression. So they can check. They're like, hey, this is really too much. And then I guess they could get rid of it in 3 years. Well, anyway, that's in the bill or the new legislation, new law, whatever. The death, on the other hand, that's Hana Kimura. And she was 22, known for her role in the Netflix show Terrace House.
She's also a wrestler.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Was the show about wrestling or no?
No, I think it's just a reality show.
Other cast members came forward to share their own experiences of online abuse. Soon after her death, top Japanese officials addressed the danger of cyberbullying. Kimura's mother, former professional wrestler Kyoko Kimura, campaigned for stronger anti-cyberbullying laws. I want people to know that cyberbullying is a crime. Wow. Well, tough subject, right? It's another one where you got to analyze that on a fine-tooth comb, try to figure out on each case, like how severe each individual word is. Or does it have to do with how persistent a particular person is, like at where it crosses over into harassment? Is it like a certain number of messages, a certain type of message, a certain word, a certain type of language? Like very difficult. Very, very difficult.
Yeah, it gets really messy.
Very, very difficult.
Especially if there's like hundreds or thousands of people that's just bullying one person. Like, how do you shuffle through that?
Very difficult.
And find people.
Very difficult.